Welcome to episode 13 of my A to Z Perfume Glossary. Today's word, classics. A classic perfume is like Pride and Prejudice or the Eiffel Tower, timeless, enduring, and stamped into history. If it survives 15 years and still thrills generations, it's earned the classic status. Classics are old world fragrances. Think traditional DNA, Chanel No. 5, opulent aldehydes that scream post-World War I modernity. Guerlain's Shalimar 1925, animalic, vanilla, the roaring 20s in a bottle. Cody's Shapelet 1917, mossy, leathery, and the blueprint for every shipper since. But the classics aren't just pretty scents, they're history lessons. Giovanni Maria Farina in 1766, Cologne, captured the Enlightenment era in Europe's obsession with citrus. YSL Opium 1977 followed the audacity of the 70s with spicy, smoky incense. J'adore 1999, millennium era femininity, champagne-soaked florals. These perfumes mark revolutions, wars, industrial leaps, sexual liberation. Classics color eras. So next time you smell light blues, citrus musk, or Angel's caramel patchouli whirlwind, ask, what world made this? Drop a if you snip the classics like history books. Bye.